Good morning. So excited to be here with all of you today to share a surprisingly simple idea, one that has the power to transform not just your team, but ultimately the lives of those you serve. And to kick this one off today, I want to take you back to an experience I had this past winter. It's another freezing day in New York City. It's 7 a.m. I peek outside the windows. It's dark. It's gray. The kind of day that begs for sleeping in. Hot coffee, binge watching yet another episode of the Great British Bake Off with my wife to avoid having to face that cold weather. I start to question every life decision I've ever made, including why I'm putting on my shoes to even head outside. But I make it to the corner, phone in hand, and for a split second, I think about skipping my workout. There's a gym right across the street. It's closer, and I barely even have to walk to get there. But that day, I didn't go to the closer gym. Instead, I trudged 15 blocks, 3 avenues, past a dozen other fitness studios, a boutique yoga spot, my favorite donut shop, which sometimes completely throws me off, and I kid you not, even a warm, toasty sauna at the local Equinox calling my name. Here I am going to the same gym yet again. It's a cardio boxing gym, and recently I found myself going here multiple times a week, every week. And it got me thinking, what is it about this place that has me being so committed? What is it about this place that has me being so loyal? The location, inconvenient. The class times, borderline impossible. And to make matters worse, this boutique charges a fat fee. But the second I walk in, there he is. Chris, the trainer, grinning ear to ear. Danny, you made it back. I can't wait to work out with you today. He gives me a high five, and just like that, I wasn't just another guy in a crowded city. I was someone he noticed. The class starts, and it's chaos in the best way. Music blaring, people punching, sweat dripping. About halfway through, just as my legs start slowing down, there's Chris. He jumps off his stage, and he runs up to me, and he says, Danny, don't you dare stop. You've got more in you. Let's go. Keep going. You've got this. The class ends, and I'm wiped, but in the best way possible. My shirt clings to me like a second skin, and before anyone can leave, Chris runs back to the front of the room where he gives every single person a high five goodbye and says, great job today. You crushed it. I appreciate you coming in, and I can't wait to see you soon. And every time I leave Chris's class, I leave with the biggest, uncontrollable, goofiest smile like this because of how Chris makes me feel seen and valued. And I'm not alone. Chris's classes is full almost every single time. I mean, think about it for a second. In a city with a gym on almost every other block, people rearrange their lives to show up for Chris. Why? Because Chris doesn't just teach a workout. He creates an experience that makes you want to show up, no matter how hard, no matter how far, no matter how inconvenient. And it's not that Chris is some magical unicorn or heck, even the best trainer in New York City. It's because of how Chris chooses to show up for every single person who walks through that door.